I hope you all are doing graphical questions sincerely. Good morning children, I am Sharma sir with the new video on chapter 10 reflection. Let us solve question 23 of this exercise. Use graph paper for the solution. The point P 2 and minus 4 is given, and that you have to reflect about the x equal to 0 to get the image q and find the coordinate of q. So let us see here the point. You first of all you draw the x-axis and y-axis, and we'll mark it on the scale 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 according to this given point. In x-axis left side -1 -2 -3 like that. Y-axis above the x-axis is 1 2 3 4, and the above the below the x-axis -1 -2 -3 like that. After marking, you locate the point P 2 minus 4. Now see, from here you can see the P x coordinate is positive, y coordinate is negative. So positive and negative, so this coordinate P is lying in quadrant 4. So you will mark the point P here, and after that you have to reflect it in x equal to 0. What is the meaning of x equal to 0, children? X equal to 0 means y axis. Yes, x equal to 0 means y axis, and y equal to 0 means x axis. This you remember. Okay, so we have to find the image reflection of P in x equal to 0, that is y axis. So where will the image form? So this is the y axis, and the image of P is formed in third quadrant. So third quadrant, where will the image form? So just align the 4, and this is 2. So 2, so it is -2 and -4. So the coordinate will be here. So mark this point. So this is P dash, or what is saying, that is the image is Q. Q is the image form over here, and the coordinate will be -2 -4. Okay, so this is the first answer. First answer is coordinate of Q. You write first answer Q. Coordinate of Q is -2 -4. Alright, now second, now it is saying that point Q is reflected in about the line y equal to 0. Again, Q is reflecting in y equal to 0. Y equal to 0 means what? This is y equal to 0 is here. Y equal to 0 here. This is x equal to 0. So y equal to, so Q will reflect in x axis. So the image will form as behind as it is in front of the x axis. So you see how far it is? 4 unit from here. So it will go 4 unit back. So the image will be about this point. Alright, so it is about near 4. Just see this way. This way you can locate the line. Alright, so here this is the Q. The image of Q is reflected in y equal to 0. The image is R. So mark it over here, R. So this image is R. Okay, R. Oh. This is R. And what is the coordinate here? R -2 and 4. -2 4. -2 4. So the image R, second answer is image of R is -2 4. Okay, -2 4. Now you have to find the figure PQR. Now you see the figure. Where is the PQR figure? Now join the figure PQR. So join PQR. Where is P? P here and Q. Then P, Q and R. Join this. And then you join this also. Okay, so you see the what type of figure is there. So name the figure PQR. So this PQR is a triangle. Triangle. Yes, it is a triangle. So PQR is a triangle. This answer. And then so you have to write here. You can write here. Third answer is triangle. Fourth answer you have to write. Fourth answer. What is asking? Find the area of the figure PQR. So since area of the figure PQR is a triangle, that is right angle triangle. You see from the graph, you see it is a right angle triangle PQR. So area will be area of triangle PQR is equal to half into base into height. What is base? QR. QP into height is RQ. So this equal to how much? This is equal to, you can write this equal to, put up the value, put the value and you will get it. This way you try to practice this question. Okay, and let us solve one more questions. Here also you have to use the graph paper to find the images to do the solution. Okay, here plot the point A is given. Point A is 4 6 and point B is 8 1. So you see where will the point 8 1 and 4 6. Mark the point 4 6. So you see on the graph paper 4 6 is the point. 4 6, x coordinate is 4, y coordinate is 6. X coordinate is 4 and y coordinate is 6. So just go above this and you will get the point this. Okay, from there and this one. So this is point A. So you write here A 4 6. And then point B 8 1. 8 is here and 1 is here. Just see, go, and this is the point B. B is 8 1. B is the point 8 1. Okay, B is the point 8 1. You see. Now you have to find the first. Plot the point this and this. You have plotted A and B, and then if A dash is the image of A dash is the image of A when reflected in x axis. So when A is reflecting in x axis, then the image will be in the fourth quadrant, and it will be 6 unit behind the x axis. So it is here 6 unit here, and this is the position. So this will be A dash, and what will the unit here? A dash will be 4 and minus 6. The coordinate will be 4 and minus 6. Yes. Then write the coordinate of A dash. The coordinate of A dash you will write. Therefore this is the second part. Coordinate of A dash. A dash is equal to 4 minus 6. This is your answer. Then see, if B dash is the image of B dash is image of B reflected in A dash. Now you see the where A dash. A dash is here. This is the A dash line. You draw the line A dash. A dash line you have drawn. Then the B is the B dash. B dash is the image of B. So B is here. So if it is reflecting in A dash, then for this B, this A dash will be the mirror, means reflected axis. So it will reflect, this B will reflect in A dash. So how far it is from A dash? 1 2 3 4 unit. So 1 2 3 4 units. So the image will form here. as B is reflecting in A dash, so how far it is? 1 2 3 from here, 1 2 3 4 unit. So from here 1 2 3 4 units, so it will be at this point. This is the B dash. Here B dash will be here, and the coordinate is B dash का coordinate क्या होगा? 0 and 1. And then join this one, join this one, and join this. Now see, it is just looking like a kite. Alright, looking like a kite. So the fourth answer is geometrical name of the figure is kite. So this is the answer. Okay, so this way you can practice, children, to find the answer. So use graph paper and plot the coordinates of the given point properly and get the answer. Okay, children, so this is the last questions of this exercise I have explained. Now you practice the similarly